Morning class, we're going to create our infographic. And remember, our infographic is a graphic visual representation of information. And we've chosen this one so that you will be able to do something different. We're also, for those students who are not going to be producing this infographic, you will be using your PowerPoint. You can choose to create your infographic in a PowerPoint presentation slide. So that's what you will do. The rest of us will do this infographic right here in Canva. You opened your Canva accounts, and this is Mrs. Beamer's where I created mine. You'll see over here to the left, this is what it started out looking like. It was this one, this template here, and we're going to go back to the your account, and you're going to choose from a template that's offered, and this is the one that I chose, and this is how I changed all the characteristics of that infographic. So we're going to go to our home page, and I want you to type in infographic in the search bar, and I want you to hit the search bar. Okay, infographic, you're going to go down to the left here on the tool on the bar, and we want to view more and choose business. And then what's going to pop up are these really, really creative, nice templates. And again, we chose this one. And all I'm going to do today to help you get started, because you all are very skilled in changing things with your Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, we're going to just do some features that will help you get familiar with Canva. But like any tool, you will do better by playing around. We're going to change, first of all, our background color. So we click on the blue in the first little section, and you see you get your background color handler here. So we can go in there and choose a color they want to change our background to, and you can either choose a new color that you want to create, or you can choose from the ones that they offer here. There, let's go back. I got out of it when I'm right on it. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to change it to, let's see, that color right there. I'm not sure what that color is. I like it. And then you want to be able to change your font. So when I click into the text box, you'll see this ribbon pops up for you to be able to change your font size, your font type right there. Then our font size, I'm going to reduce the font size so we will get on the line really well. And you have other options with right here is your color for your font. You can change your color right there, and you can make it bold, or all the features, all the other formatting that you want to do, centering or a knot to the left, to the right. You can do lists, bullet lists, and you can also change your spacing, special effects that you might want to do to your font, and other formatting and editing tools that you might want to create there. Okay, so then we're going to go to the next thing you might want to do, which is change your picture or your graphic. So I'm going to delete what's there, come over to the line of options here, links here, and go to elements. Over here in elements, and this is where I got that creative animated one here, and you can do an animated one if you'd like. Choose something that you want to put on there, and let's go there. I'm just doing something simple. And there, choose the free one. Let's get rid of that one. Okay, and then you want to size it so it will fit. So you size it, put it, wrong thing. Let's bring that back down. Just play around with it. You'll get it. Move things around. Very easy. This is very easy. And again, you want to make it larger this way so that you can see what you're doing. You want to get in there, and you can change that one to, instead of heart dominant people, we want to be a risk taker. So you get into your box and you type your box, and you get down here in the other box, and you're going to start typing and tell some characteristics of the risk taker. And again, if you want to change the font, you're going to go there, and you can change your font colors and your font sizes, all the effects. Those are the basics of your infographic there. So you'll be able to come back and look at this and follow along and create your document like Miss Beamer did. And this is mine, and I want you to go in and create the same one. And again, those other students will be working with PowerPoint and create your infographic in PowerPoint. All right, turn it in tomorrow.